In this video I'm going to cover the topic of the TV stand that's available on tvtrade.ie. So what we have here is the box that it comes in. It's a relatively compact box. In terms of the stand then itself, you can see the component parts are in front of us here. So the first thing is, what weight the television can it handle? It can handle up to 50 kg, which roughly equates to, certainly should be able to handle a 37-inch TV. So it has two shelves on it, okay, the top and then the shelf down below. And so you can see here, it comes in this basic thing here. In terms of the tools that we're going to need to assemble it, it's relatively straightforward. We need this Allen key, but it comes with it. And also we just have this very basic grippers here that I'm going to use as well. So I'm just going to go through the assembly process here with you. So I'm just going to pick up these 4 bars and we screw these into the 4 corners here. So this plate here that we have, the underside of this will actually be the top of the TV stand when it's fully assembled. So we just screw these on like this. If we want to tighten it a bit further, we can actually just come along with these grips here, just grab it and just lock them. Final few turns until they're solidly secured. So repeat this process all the way around and here. And we have it there now. So it's tightly locked into that position. So next anyway, we go to the 4 corners. We just want to drop this in. So the smooth part of the stand, this is what we're going to drop in here. So you can see here, where it's level on top. So we just drop this in here. Just line it up with the holes. Just work it down, and as we work towards the tops, we can just see here. And okay, just slide it on like that. So that's it. So it might actually better to have taken off the top there initially. So that's the first part of it there. The next one here, just going to do this corner piece here. Once again, it's this piece here we're going to start off with. I'll just start in, I'll drop it down, and it centers on here, and then I'll just slide it into position here. So we just need to make sure like that, and then we'll repeat the process here. So once again, we'll see the hole here, and this of course is going to be just lining up this hole here. So just drop it down into position like that. Wheel it all the way down, and now we come along and we drop it into position like that. Okay, so next we come along and we're putting on the actual shelf here. Okay, so lower the position like that. The first thing we'll do is we'll just come to the back section here. Now what we have here is we have these locker nuts here. So what we're just going to do is just drop this into position like that. And I'll just hand tighten in the first piece of it. I'll repeat the same process over here. Now I'll just get my Allen key here and I'll just rotate it. So I've locked that firmly in. So you can see this first one done. And I'll repeat the same process here. And I've locked it into position. Okay, so next what we'll do is we'll come along, we'll get this corner piece here. So what we're looking for here is we just see the square piece here and the square hole here. Okay, so what we'll do is just slide this down onto this. What I actually just do here is just pull this off here, get this part mounted in first, like that, and then slide the next piece down over it, here. And we're going to repeat the same process on the far side. So I'll just grab this here, take the bottom part out first, slide it into position like that, and then slide this back over here. So now we'll come back. So we're getting quite close to finishing the assembly here. So we'll hand tighten this. So the thing to notice here is, this of course is made up in all sets. We have the small bolt here, we have the washer, and then we also have a rubber washer, because obviously we want to minimize vibration and things like this. So we can tighten it in without any worry about over tightening it and actually cracking it. So we just tighten it in. The process. That's quite tight there. And we're just going to repeat the same process over here. So that's effectively the assembly finished. So now what we have is an upside down table stand. So we're just going to do is grab it here. And display it in all its glory. So what we do obviously here on the very top part is we would mount the TV. On the bottom part here we put in our DVD or our satellite recorder or our Servo box. All the cabling can be run through here. And just to demonstrate it here with a 32-inch TV. Come along. And this may give you quite a good sense of proportions here. So that's it, an overview of both the actual product and also the assembly of the TV stand available on tvtrade.ie.